Alright, so we back here trying to get our vents together. Vacuum still holding. It's been like 2 or 3 days now, so we know it's good. So what I did off camera was I kind of ran this vacuum hose to the back of the intake. It's kind of hard to see that, but it's back there, I promise you. And so I ran that little thing up here, and I connected it to one of the two. Don't worry about that. We're gonna wrap all that up. So yeah, both of these. So this right here, this shit right here, nigga, and this shit right here. Both of them bitches gotta have a vacuum. So what we gonna have to do, since it's a Y, or since there's only one, and we need a Y into both of them, then I bought some. What do you call, some vacuum tees. We got some vacuum tees here, so I can go. I should be able to go from whatever to whatever with one of these Ys. I probably didn't need the other two packs, but I was like, just in case. Plus, you can never have like too much car stuff, especially when you work at the car place. So, let me see what we got. So we're gonna have to probably come out pretty far. Cause see, like I said, that can go right on there, but then we need to tee it so we can get to the other one, but that one's longer. So let me figure this out and come back. All right, so we back here out here in the car. Wired up a test fit for the relay, making sure it's gonna kick on when it's supposed to kick on. We'll see here in a second. If it don't kick on, then we'll have to go back. But we want to make sure that everything's working before we clean up our wiring. But yeah, they have not kicked on yet. I think they kicked on like right around 200. Let's see what the temperature is now. As you can see, we did clean out the stuff on the floor. Got all our bolts and stuff up. So we almost at 200, so the fans should be kicking on any moment now. Any moment now. Alright, so we just had to double check one of our connections. But the fans are on, so we good to go with the fans. Whatever that shit is, it's annoying. All right, but fans kick on, point blank period. So that's one less thing we got to do. So now we just got to go back, finish our ground and tidying up the wires. So the blower motor's working, the AC is charged, the fans are working. I think we just have to go back inside and adjust something with the blend door from cold to hot, and then we should be good. All right, what's up, y'all? Day, whatever it is, man. I'm gonna put this shit together and put it out. So I bought some wires and some connectors and whatever. So we was in the process of tucking away our relay and getting our wiring together for the fans. So that's good. Still got to clean up this wiring coming across here. I believe I have some sheaths that I can add across there. So being that the system been sitting on the AC, I'm gonna check that as well while I get ready to let the car get up to temperature and let the fans kick on. So it's like a 2-for-1 tonight. But this should be the last time. Should be the last time we have to do anything for real. Alright, make sure both sides are closed. It should be some. I feel like it should be some kind of pressure on that motherfucker. But it is closed, so. I don't think that's right though. Some don't sit right. Yeah, some ain't right. We finna dig off into it though. So we gonna flip the Frankenstein switch, but it's already been flipped. Get the keys. That's it. It's just hot in here for no reason, dog. There definitely ain't nothing in there to kick on the thing. So we'll just let the car get up to temp. I don't know if we lost the free on or what the fuck happened. Something happened. Alright, so we got compressor kicking on. Doing something funky. We'll figure it out. Got fans on. Okay, we cooking with Crisco, baby. Even though the vacuum hell, like I think that shit still got a leak somewhere. I don't know. Cause I didn't have to add a whole lot, but it's still probably not where it's supposed to be. So we might have to come back to that. I don't recall having that hard of a time getting the last and the other box AC together. But, oh, this motherfucker's on heat in here. Turn that off. My God. I don't think that shit is hooked up right there. So we gotta pull that back out and put that motherfucker out. God, I mean, the heat work. You know that part. Fuck. Alright, man. So, like I said, what's the day? Today, the 10th. 12 days till Whipfest. Yeah, today the 10th. So, 12 days till Whipfest. We're getting closer. So it's probably about time to pull that bitch out and try to get that tune together, at least good enough to go up on the trailer. Time.